Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. How you guys doing today? I am here with another Dollar Tree haul. And quick short little haul. I'd like to show you what I got. And first I am going to start out with these dots. These are the wall dots. And you know, a lot of people put them on their craft wall or different things like that. So I got 4 packs. Not quite sure where or when I'm going to use them, but I got them because they were only 4 and I'm pretty sure they disappear. They're pretty large. It's a 12 pack, but that's what I got. Wait a minute, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, 24 packs. And then, what I got was, I haven't found the numbers, but I did find the Galvanized Letters, which I was really surprised to find. They're small, they're about 1 inch, so I got 2 packs of each of the A through M is in 1 pack. There's 13 letters, and the other 13 N through Z is in the pack. So I got 2 packs of those each. And I got some of the metal tags to go along with it. So with the metal tags, I've got 3 other ones that have that shape at the top. And these are roughly, what, 3 inches? Let's see. Yep, no, 4 inches. By 2, like a 4 by 2. There's another one. They're the same length, so they all must be 4 inches. You can see they all have the pierced hole in them, and that's the pointy tip. And they all come with a little bit of cheap natural cord. So there's 3 pack each. So 4 of those. I'm going to try maybe some alcohol inks or some painting, gluing down some of these metals alphas on top and see how it works. I just felt like playing with a little bit of the metal just to see how they pop. And then I got some more of these, store some of my larger dies, and just different stuff in my craft room, stamps and different stuff. And yes, I finally got some of the dies. Yay! Right? So, why are they wet? Oh, I had water. Got on my desk. So I got the heart. There's 3 heart dies. I know you've seen them because Sheba, I think was the first one I've seen of anybody posting them. Sheba Finds, she had posted her video. And these can be snipped. So you have 3 separate dies there. And that's the heart. And then these are the leaves. So again, you can see what you get here. And it looks like a little bean. Well, berry, rather, excuse me. And this is a floral corner piece. You got to see it right there, what it looks like. And you can make photo corners with that. My table is wet. My cup of water was sweating, I guess. Now all of my dies that was sitting here, I need to get paper towels, are wet. And then this is, hold on. Sorry about that. I can't stand anything feeling wet. These are the border dies. And again, you can snip these apart, so it's going to be 3 border dies. And this is 5 1/8 by 5 1/8 inches length. So this would fit, if you're going to do an A2 card, you know, that would fit the length of an A2 card with a 1/8 of an inch border. And that's what they look like. Again, $3 for $1. And they do cut. Again, same size, 5 1/8 or 13 centimeters. And that's what they look like. So these, you would get the stars will fall out. And then this looks like the cloud shape right there. And again, nice little border ridge right there. So, yep. And then you got the floral. You got your flowers. You can put on the edge of the top, layer it. You know, again, this is 1 1/16 inch in height by 5 inches. So those are the dies. Finally, they're here. And again, these will cut out like, you know, you have that little piece that falls out there. So you can use that negative. Then I got these to alter. It says our family gathers here in gray, home sweet home in black. And then again, I've got the Family Gathers here in white. So those two are exactly the same. And that was the white and the gray. And then in the black and the, I don't know, sandstone, I guess. Just Welcome to Our Home. So those two have different sentiments. But I hope to put some of my J-ends on top of these and decorate those. Anyway, so that is my Dollar Tree haul. So thank you for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.